Hi friends, in this session we learn about 2D sketch, how to create circles. At first, we open new part on XY plane. Okay, XY. In previous session, we talk about line, spline, and now we learn about other branches here. Next branch is circle. You open it. Now we can see three order for drawing circle. One center point, tangent, and ellipse. By first order, we can draw circle by 2 points, center point and 1 point on circumference. We locate center point here, for example, and circumference point. Okay, now we have a circle. Or again, by this order, we can have center point and now get dimension. We can have a circle by dimension, for example 25 millimeters. Okay, we can make changes on dimensions. For example, click dimension, make it smaller, 15. Or this circle doesn't have dimension. We can give dimension to this circle by a sketch letterhead and constrain here dimension. Okay, 35 for example. Now we learn about giving dimension to a sketch. Here we can have it from letterhead sketch and here constrain dimension. Okay, now we can click on dimensions and make different, 25 for example. Okay, other solution for making circles is the second order. For using this order, we should have 3 lines and 1 circle tangent 3 lines. So at first, we make 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3, and push escape button. Okay, now we can use second order, choose lines 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now we have a circle tangent 3 lines. This is second order. And last order is making ellipse. Ellipse is a kind of circle with 2 varied diameters. We can have it by 3 points. 1 point, center point, and the other point at the end of diameter here, and the last point on circumference. Okay, escape. Now we can giving dimension, small radius, for example 15, and bigger radius 40. Okay, now we have an ellipse here by 2 varied radius. We are learning and talking about create orders. Previous session about lines, this session about circles, and in the future about arcs, rectangles, fillets, text, and points. And other branches here modify pattern constraint. We will learn you piece by piece and level by level. Just subscribe our channel for better education and turn on the notification for the next video. See you soon. Help us. Stay with us.